Can you actually make money pressure washing other people's driveways? It's a very common question, and I'm going to break down exactly how much money you can make pressure washing, so stick around to the end of the video. If you're brand new to the channels, please consider to subscribe to my channel and also turn on those post notifications. That way you're notified every time that I upload a brand new video. Also, I do teach about pressure washing, so if you have any questions, please drop those down below in the comments. And as always, if you find any value in this video, give it a like. That way it'll boost it into the YouTube algorithm and help me find new people that need to start this business. Now, pressure washing is one of the easiest businesses that you can start. Literally, you can go out to Home Depot right now, invest a few $100s into a pressure washer, get some chemicals, and you're off to start, pressure washing driveways. Literally, one driveway just like this can make you around $600 and take about 2 to 3 hours. If you can do 2, 3, 4 driveways a day, now getting up to 3 or 4, you may have to have more people and they may have to be smaller, driveway sizes. But I mean, doing something like this, you could make a week's worth of income. The hardest part really isn't about doing the work, it's about getting the jobs. I've actually created an agency where we help run all of your marketing for you, from Facebook ads, Google ads, so that we can start booking up jobs as well. And over the past 5 years, we've been able to help over 100 pressure washing companies scale to over $10,000 per month. If you're interested in something like that, send me a text message at 843-888-2371 or book a free strategy call with me and my team in the first link in the description. When it comes to making a profit pressure washing, it's really about managing your expenses, right? So how much you're paying for chemicals, equipment. I see a lot of guys going in debt, spending $10,000, $20,000 on brand new equipment. I would start small. Start with getting a 4 gallons per minute pressure washer, which you can pick up for a few $100, basically at Home Depot, like I said, or you can do a nice pressure washing store, Pressure Tech, any of these nice pressure washing stores. And I would slowly grow. This isn't a business that you want to go full throttle in. I've seen so many guys going in and out of business. So what you want to do is build up a clientele base over time, right? So learning the strategies on how to do the jobs first, do a few driveways. Then your marketing, make sure that you always have enough, cash flow and, customers, things like that. Now, different markets are kind of tough. I find the Florida market to be, a little bit tough, but I've been able to, build up a nice business here. I've been doing it for about 10 years. One of the best markets is actually Texas, where I'm from. So if you guys are thinking about starting this business, I definitely encourage you to go out, go to Facebook Marketplace, get you some good equipment, and start doing some driveways. Just don't go bankrupt doing it. You know what I mean? And this isn't just another side hustle. This is an actual legit business where you can make several $100,000 per year. So treat it that way. That's my biggest advice for you guys, is tracking how much money you're putting into the business, how much money you're making, and really treat this as a business. If this is something that you want to start this year, comment down below "New Year," and I'll be liking and showing support to everybody's comments. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys chase your dreams and start your business. Take care.